might have created a lead magnet to attract your target audience or an ebook to sell on your e-commerce platform. You might have struggled or even spent way too much time trying to perfect the design or the layout. If you're a Canva lover like me, you would have probably realized that although Canva designs are great, it's quite difficult to create ebooks with Canva. Check out this Designrr review to find out exactly what Designrr is, the features, the pros and cons, and exactly what Designrr can do for you. If you want to find out more about Designrr, make sure to check out the link in the description box down below. First, let's look at what is Designrr. Creating fresh content is difficult, and the key to putting out content consistently without spending even more time or energy is to repurpose your content. This is where Designrr comes in. Designrr is an online tool that helps you create ebooks and other formats by transforming and repurposing your content into different formats. Designrr supports many different formats, including your blog posts, podcasts, videos, and PDFs. With a click of a button, you'll be able to produce ebooks, show notes, transcripts, PDFs, and even web pages. Here are some Designrr features. Producing different content in attractive designs and appealing formats, it's important to help you reach more people, build your email list, and generate more sales. You can easily transform your content with Designrr. You can customize, edit, and create new content easily. Here are the steps that Designrr can help to transform your content. First, you can import your existing content from one of these formats: blog posts and websites, social media content from Facebook pages. Then you can review your draft in the editor and you can fully customize your content, adding speaker names, video screenshots, blog quotes, and highlights. You can choose out of the many templates offered by Designrr and add images from all the copyright-free image search or upload your own. You can also change the font styles, the cover, the headers, the footers, and add a call to action. You can then publish to any website, Kindle, EPUB, PDF, or flipbook through Designrr. This is how I use Designrr. I'm going to hop on my computer and show you a quick tutorial on how to use Designrr. With my website, Your Entrepreneur Resources, I have long blog posts with a lot of information going into details about different aspects of online business. I've transformed a lot of these blog posts into ebooks using Designrr and allow people to download this ebook inside the blog post. I was able to easily import my blog post through Google Docs or the link, choose the template that I want, adjust any elements I want, then export it. Then I usually create my own cover through Canva and put them all together along with an about page. Designrr makes it super easy and it only takes me minutes to import my existing content, then a few more minutes to customize the content. For my other products and lead magnets that have less text and more design elements, I usually use Canva, but like I said before, it takes a lot of time to import a text-based content into Canva. You would have to manually adjust each page, but Designrr makes this very easy for you. Here are some pros of Designrr. It's a great way to repurpose your existing content to grow your email list, reach more people, and generate more income. Designrr has many different templates for you to choose from, with a built-in library of stock images available for you to crop and use. You can easily convert your content into PDF, Kindle format, which is called Mobi, and EPUB format. You can brand your materials easily with the global settings function. You can turn your podcasts and videos into show notes and transcripts through the transcription function. You can start monetizing by selling your ebooks. You can create attractive 3D cover and mock-ups instantly. Here are some cons of Designrr. It's not the smoothest experience with the UX since there are sometimes glitches. You can't choose multiple elements at the same time, so it will take extra time to edit multiple elements. Designrr is great for transforming your content into ebooks, but you won't be able to create very unique designs. One tip I have for this is to create a background that ties in with your brand through a tool like Canva and use that as a background in your designs. Let's take a look at the Designrr pricing. Designrr has 3 standard pricing plans, but they have insanely affordable deals almost all the time. Check out their website to see what deals they have going on right now. The standard plan starts at $29 a month, and you don't get the 200 project templates and the functions like to export to Kindle, iBooks, and EPUB. Then there's a pro plan that's $39 a month, including all those functions that the standard plan doesn't have. The premium plan is $49 a month and it gives you 4 transcription hours. Then there's a business plan which is $99 a month and it gives you 8 transcription hours and access to the Facebook group. Designrr is an overall useful software that'll help you make lead magnet creation so much easier by helping to reuse content that you have already created. Not only is it a massive time saver, it also helps to make your content look sleek. I got very lucky and got Designrr for a one-time fee and I have been using it ever since. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions about Designrr, and I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.